Today on Chris Does What, we're going to review this pit and we're going to go get some firewood so we can fire up this old grill or new grill and see how it works. So just have to earl up the chainsaw, sharpen the blade, and put the battery in. Easy enough. So y'all stay tuned and also be sure to check out our website. See a link down below. We got new gear, branded gear, shirts and everything. So, and you can do your job, because I did mine. Okay, Erlen chainsaw, blade is sharpened, battery no worky. Guess I'm calling Ryobi, figure out what's wrong with this battery. But we're still gonna go get wood and we're still gonna fire up this fire pit. I was just about to do a review on this on our YouTube channel for the second year and the battery doesn't work. And this is a okay, we will. So thank you for your time. 7 to 10 business days and you take care. My son's going to take me trailing. He says there's a lot of wood, old wood already cut up on these trails, and we're not cutting down any trees. Of course we don't have a chainsaw, but I wouldn't cut down any trees anyway. But we had to put a box in the back of his old Jeep because he didn't want to get his carpet dirty. So let's go with these trails.
You don't want twigs.
I'm gonna scratch out the paint.
Oh. Hey, look around for wood. There's wood all around us.
Find it.
What about that? What is that? What is that box?
We're only getting dead wood. We don't cut down anything that's new or green or anything like that. And it actually helps improve or reduce the chances of forest fire and things like that. So it's not a bad thing to pick up dead wood out of the woods. But don't cut down trees.
I don't think today's a good time to get wood because it just poured and everything's all spongy. Oh, you gotta get some wood?
I'm supervising. Hey Brandon.
Yeah?
We got a little bit more wood than fit in the box.
Just a little bit.
Okay guys, we're going to do a little bit more trailing after getting that wood. So there's a pond down here we're going to go check out.
It's probably overflowing again.
Yeah, we've had a ton of rain out here in Florida, so yeah.
That's used to been the trail, but a tree fell over, so someone made a new one.
Hey,
So we have to go around here. That's as far as I'm going. So look, you used to be able to drive down there,
oh wow.
but it's completely flooded. You can't even get down there.
Okay, we got our bounty for our fire pit. Now let's see what it looks like.
Yeah, it didn't fall out.
None of it fell out, so here we go. We're good to go. Okay guys, we got wood.
Yay!
We have fire pit. Danielle's really excited about this.
I love fires.
Our last one didn't quite make it.
It lasted two
Two
and a half
years.
years, and we didn't take care of it, so it rusted.
It was a low gauge steel fire pit, so it was going to rust.
It's like a Black Friday thing, you know, it was
Yeah.
like $29. But You know, I think if we would have just put it in the garage, it would have been fine, but we didn't, so now we had to buy another one.
Well, this one is cast iron. We got this off Amazon. We'll leave a link down below for this as well. And hopefully this makes it another 2 years. That's as long as we want to stay here, right?
Right.
So another 2 years, and we have fireage in these cold, desolate Florida winters.
I know, it's not cold, but it
I'm
gets buggy.
sweating.
It gets buggy, and we like to have a little bit of a fire just to kind of get rid of the bugs.
So let's unbox this and see what's inside.
Hopefully everything.
Okay, you chill.
We're not the star of the show. She tries to be.
Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside.
Mine's already half open, so it shouldn't be a problem.
Ooh, an eagle. Okay, that was really cool. And Danielle says, I don't want to unbox it. She just wants the finished product.
I did not. I said he didn't need me to put it together.
Okay, I put words there
He
now.
likes putting things together. It's too small of a project. I'll see you
Okay.
guys in a minute.
So there's the, I'm guessing the fire ring with a little grill to hold it up. Here's the cover to keep the water out of the new fire pit. Ooh, it comes with tools and stuff. Yay! A brand new poker.
Well, we have the long one. And the
No.
other one. That's kind of short.
That is kind of short.
Problem space.
The screen cover. Ooh. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, that's heavy. Looks like one of them ancient Rome things or something. Or oh, wow. Another ring. And legs. Whew. You were worried that you wouldn't come with legs. And finally, instructions. In Spanish, English. We'll use the English ones. I'm going to clean up this mess, and then we'll get this thing together. Okay, did some reading of the instructions. The grill goes in there, that goes over there. This ring goes on the legs. Excuse the golfers over there. They're happy. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to use my drill. So in this, you have one leg. This is the bottom of the leg. Probably should have put these with the bolts facing down, but it doesn't look like it'll hurt anything either way. Now let's start tightening it up. I think I'm going to tighten up the outside first. Okay. And there we go. It is together. Oh wow. Quite heavy. Finally I found the nut. that goes on here. So it doesn't come with any spare parts. Ta-da! Now let's go get some wood and make fire. Okay, so we have a fire. It's been going for a few hours, and yes, this cast iron here does make a lot of warmth. Now this is a small fire because we're in Florida and we don't want to get super hot. I said super. Okay guys, so we tried out the grill.
It's nice.
Really cool. And they said in the reviews that this got it warmer. Well, it does, because cast iron, it just starts like a cast iron stove or that cast iron pot.
Pan. Yeah.
It just starts radiating heat, which wasn't that great when we were testing it, because
What was it, like 80 degrees out here? But
Yeah.
we were trying to get rid of the bugs, and it did a great job on doing that.
yes. And so hopefully soon we get that chainsaw battery back and we can go and cut some real wood and stick in here. Get us a real fire. But Danielle is the one that's the expert at fire building. I'm kind of
No. We've had a discussion on that, and I grew up building fires in a wood stove, very tiny spots. So you had to build them a certain way so it didn't smoke up the house when you opened up the door. And he's used to building fires, big, huge bonfires out in the middle of nowhere.
we use tractors.
So this is a fire pit, so I think you need to work it like a wood stove.
Yes, so we ended up,
Small, and then build.
and what seemed to work the best was the TP style fire.
Yeah,
So-
for this one, we've noticed. The other one was, no, it wasn't a TP style that we did on the other one.
No.
But I think it's because it's the cast iron.
And plus it's deeper than the other
Yeah.
one was. So to get that air going through and so the fire runs up to the top, we used a TP style fire. Worked really well. Now,
It's nice and windy right now. There's no bugs.
no bugs.
No fire tonight.
So guys, also check out dininginwithdanielle.com or chrisdoeswhat.com.
Lots of simple recipes.
Yes.
Try to make it very simple. Simple ingredients, but a lot of flavor.
And you can also check out our swag there. It's our shop. So it's not Amazon, it's our shop. It's our
Got
swag.
my new, what do you call it, an athletic line that I'm trying to start, and this is a really cool hat too.
Yeah. Well, mine is the swag, hers is the project line. So, because mine's just Chris does what? She actually has the trademark and the coolness. And if you want this pit, I'll leave a link down below for it.
It was $57, by the way, we paid for it, not bad price, and it was on Prime, so.
The only thing cooler than putting together this pit was that eagle.
Oh yeah.
That was beautiful.
It looks around here.
Scared the ducks off. But if you like our channel, subscribe. Be sure to hit the little bell for the ad reminder, or you could go out to our website for email notifications that way. You can subscribe there, both to YouTube or our blog.
Make sure you do this.
If you like this video, hit that like button. Looks like this, right down there. And y'all please take care.
Bye. Happy fires.